Hello and welcome back to our free code camp course on regular expressions. Specify exact number of matches is this lesson. You can specify the lower and upper number of patterns with quantity specifiers using curly brackets. Sometimes you only want a specific number of matches. To specify a certain number of patterns, just have that one number between the curly brackets. For example, to match only the word ha with the letter A 3 times, your regex would be ha, curly braces, 3, and then the H. We have these three strings, A4, A3, A100. This has 4 A's, this has 3 A's, this has 100 A's. We have our regex here, and it says ha with 3, specifying 3 patterns there, and then H. So these two return false, A3 returns true because it is the only one that fulfills that condition. Our challenge, change the regex time regex to match the word timber only when it has 4 letter M's. So we could take what we just learned and apply it over here. So we want the word timber with how many? 4. 4 letter M's. So we come up here. We are going to do TIM, curly braces, 4, BER. Okay, and I did do capital. We could just do T and then ignore case, and that would work also. But yeah, if we console log this, result should be true because there are 4. If we add another one, it should be false. It's good. So with that, we should be able to pass this lesson, run test, and we did pass. The main thing to take from this one is that if we want to just match one specific pattern, we just put in the number of times in between curly braces. And if we do that, then we're getting this lesson, and I'll see you guys on that next one.